beach. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. The moment you guys been waiting for, the video you guys been waiting for. You guys seen on my Instagram. If you haven't, follow me at RealGMaxine_. You should see on my Instagram, we tuned the car. I put some pops, some sneak peeks, some video of the pops, the bangs and all that on Instagram. So if you guys have seen it, congratulations. But if you're not following me on Instagram, you have to wait until this video. But without further ado, guys, the car is tuned. We're gonna talk about like how much it costs to tune, like what you gotta do, how to do it, just like a whole list, like the maps, what does it come with, how do you switch between maps, like a flame map, pop map, race map, all that. So stay tuned, guys, we're gonna go all over that. All right, so I already know the first thing you guys are gonna say, hey bro, why is your check engine light on? Well, my check engine light is on because I have two of my O2 sensors that are out. They're no good, they're no bueno, but they're on order, they're on this way, so we gotta change that. I also got my laptop just in case. You guys are gonna need the up rev to pretty much tune the car. So you're gonna need the up rev, and in here in this box comes with the cable. This cable you connect it to your OBD2, I think that's what you call it, OBD2 thing, whatever. Well, you connect it and you get this and you connect it to your laptop. So you get that box, you get the cable in it, and then you just, that's all you need pretty much to get it tuned and have a street tune. It's not a dyno tune unless you have someone with a dyno that you can get a dyno tune, but pretty much it's just a street tune, straight street tune. Now with all that, it's pretty much like you got to connect it. It downloads all the information from your computer, it sends it to the tuner, and the tuner reads it, whatever. It takes like a whole day to get everything back. Once that's ready, you pretty much are ready to tune, and it comes with 5 maps, guys. So the first map is like a race map. The second map is it's like a pops and bangs map. The third map is like a flame map. The fourth map, I don't remember. And the fifth map, valet mode, if I'm not mistaken, or your car won't get stolen. I don't remember, something like that. And the way you switch is you gotta hold this and then press cancel to change in between maps. I don't do it now because I don't want to be changing like my maps and all that. And that's how you guys will be switching maps. The tune actually helped the car. Like the tune is good. The car feels so much more responsive. It's doing way better than it was before. It's hesitating less, but just because of those sensors, that's the only reason why I'm having a little bit of trouble. Now, how does it affect the car? Honestly, to be honest, it makes the car better. It makes it drive better, feel better, everything is better. Sometimes you get even better gas mileage. So I know you guys are gonna be scared about the CVT. Now, yeah, the CVT could go out if you pretty much like say send it and they put a whole bunch of power down and freaking take off the ETC electronics thing that holds power, so the CVT won't blow up. So if you turn those off, yeah, your CVT will probably go boom. But other than that, the CVT will be fine. I know the tuner that I use, you guys know him, is Gerson. So Gerson actually checks everything and makes sure the CVT is solid and the car's not doing anything to blow it up. So if he either takes torque out and give you more high-end power, maybe, probably, I don't know. He just does his magic or whatever. Don't be afraid. You can even ask him. And there's many guys running Maximas with CVTs tuned that have been tuned for a while. They abuse the car and they're still holding on. So don't worry about like the effect of the car. If honestly, just keep up with the maintenance. So before you tune it, like do spark plugs or make sure your coils are good, change your oil, things like that, just so the car can be ready, healthy, and all that. So I was gonna install headers, but you guys already know, you guys saw the video, whatever, about the headers. If you haven't, go to my previous video, you guys will see what happened with the headers. You guys are asking me about the whole video and all that, so I gotta do something talking about it. Like, you guys have so many questions, so let's go on the road. Let's roll down the windows and enjoy. go here. So every time the car downshifts, it also, like, once you do downshift with this or whatever, every time it downshift, the car pops. It's like, you guys heard it. It's pretty loud. Like, that thing is freaking loud. You should have seen my face when I first heard it. I'm like, bro, what is this? You're gonna get me in trouble. Alright, we're done. Before that, guys, I'm gonna put you on to something. If you guys like reading, check out Joseph Prince, Favor y Merecido. I think in English, like, I forgot English, but it's a red book. You'll find it. Check it out. If you like reading, this is a good book. You guys heard it. It is so freaking amazing. It's so much louder in person. The camera does not do it justice at all. So it's like super loud, but once we have the header, it's gonna be even louder. Now, I know you guys already wanna know how much does it cost. We're over here like in the woods and stuff, so guys, give this video a thumbs up for me being in the woods where there's no one around. Like, literally there's like no one here. So yeah, how much does it cost? So my tuner is Gerson. You guys know him with a 6-piece swap Maxima at 835_6MT. So hit him up, he can tune your car. Pretty much it'll be like, the price for this one will be about $700 plus the cable, which is actually not a bad deal. I think he did an amazing job at keeping the car, you know, pretty good without blowing up. So he'll take care of you guys. He will make sure your car is good. So hit him up. It goes for $700 plus the cables, and it comes with 5 maps. Like I said, the race map, flame map, pops and banks map, pretty much everything. That's another thing, he sends out everything. So he'll send you the cable and the box. The way you would tune the car will be via email. Pretty much, just imagine you're on your own dyno industry. You're literally, you've seen the videos when they press that button and then they press it again to stop. So you'll do that with a laptop. You'll press the button, whatever, then you save it, send it to him, he sends it back, you upload. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Super easy. I'm gonna show you guys how to tune the car. You know, pretty much just send all the emails and everything. So it's a pretty easy process. It's like I told you, the price $700 plus the cable. He will take care of the car, he'll take care of your tranny. Don't be afraid of your tranny. All you gotta do is make sure the car is pretty much like in good shape, and you're all set, guys. So honestly, it's a pretty good deal. Hit him up, like I said, 835_6MT. Any questions you guys have, message him. He'll answer any question. He's always available. Just give him a little bit of time, but he will get back to you. So people who saw my Instagram, they messaged him already and they got back to them, and they're waiting. Honestly, some of them are waiting for a tune. So they're like, yo, let's do it. And guys, just go for it. So just comment down below what you guys think of the car. What you guys think of the pops. I know you guys been waiting there for a while. Yeah, comment down below what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Are you guys gonna do it? So just message him, tell him I sent you, Horsepower Labs or at Real G Maxine. Tell him I sent you, and he'll hook you up. And he'll hook you up with like the nicest tune you can ever have. You don't gotta go anywhere else. Just go to him and you guys are chilling. So guys, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think of the tune. What should we do to the car next? Are you guys gonna do it? Like, just in general, what you guys think? Thank you guys for watching. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. Remember, God is good. God bless you all. Peace.